Hello guys, welcome to my next video. This is follow-up video for Sahara EK22 Pirate. In previous videos I've done unboxing and RGB lighting, how those fans look like when they are on. And this is the third past one, where I will be building a computer in it, so you can guys see how well you can do cable management. I will try to best my abilities to show you how well I can do it in it. Okay, let's start with taking down the side panel. Okay. Go for the side here. That's the reason why I did choose micro ATX, because if I choose full ATX, these cutouts will be covered and I will be not able to do cable management and no matter nothing else, and everything has to be routed through here, which would look kind of silly. So we'll take the back panel off. Easiest way, this one. Okay. So from back, I did already pre-attach in previous video this RGB control fan board. It comes with a double-sided tape, and in between that is like a sort of foam, so it doesn't go straight away on metal. It's good. It holds like on screws. If I will try to take it off, I will probably damage it. I will probably damage the board. Okay. And this back we have all screws, some wiring, microfiber cloth, and some zip ties. Let's put that aside for now. Let's prepare our board. I will put the thermal grease on it. So I do X and a few dots around. Let's put our RGB glue on it. Okay, this is budget build. This is going to be budget build. Okay, so this back plate behind the board. Let's go slow here. Okay, opposite way. So small hole here for that screw here. Okay, like that. It fits nicely on it. Let's set it on my table. Screw in a cross pattern, so the thermal paste spreads evenly. And you just start your thread in each corner. And don't try to over tie that. If it doesn't go in, then it doesn't go. Don't do that, because you will strip down your screw and then you will be screwed. Let's put those memories there. Believe it or not, 8 GB is still enough for 2-day gaming. I was thinking like 16 at least or something. No, 8 GB is still enough. Let's put the IO shield in a case. Okay, I will try it so you can guys see it, what I'm doing. You can't actually see that even. But the way how you put in IO shield is you sort of line it up one side. I will try to show that. You line it up here because it's have like a small dots. And you put the metal from the case between the dots and this edge, so in between, in this gap, you put in the metal. I will put it down like this and fit the board in there. Yeah, these standoffs. Yeah, before you put in motherboard, make sure you put the standoffs in a correct holes, correct places, so it's lined up with your board. This board takes 6 of them. But to work with, yeah, 6 of them, 6 screws. So you lay down on the table, put it in, and I'll catch it with a screw here. That's all it. Motherboard is in. The next step, we can route our USB 2.0, the HD audio, and the hard drive LED, power software, reset software, and power LED. Yeah. So those guys will go through these bottom holes. Start this one here. And now that it start sorting the cables. So I think I will change video card because this one is too long and it's going. It's I will be not able to make the 3.0 connector there with this video card. It's too long. Obviously, with different motherboard which have those connection at the bottom or in different direction, different way, you can fit this card nicely, but not here. So 1 second. Alright guys, I'm back. 1050 Ti, 4 gig. Will be still good machine. And this will clear our 3.0 cable just. So that's tight fit, but it will clear. You need to undo this back cover, which is when you install the video card, you should put that back in place so it's look nice and clear. And just literally bend that. You bending them out. So let's take our little video card and slot it in. See, now it's cleared. It's cleared the cable, so it's fine. Let's put our cover back. So without it, it's look like that. It's like it's hot there. It doesn't look nice. So let's put this one back. That's better. Let's put the power supply in. Now the fun starts. Now we have octopus from that. Like my wife saying always. Octopus. In this case, you need to place the power supply fan facing down because it does have a intake from the bottom for the fan with the dust filter on it, and it doesn't have any standoffs because I've seen in some cases, actually in most cases, PC cases, you have like a foam pads, yeah, or standoffs for the power supply, so the power supply is not like that, or it's not hanging in the air. But it's fine without them, but it's better with them. So say it that way. This power supply is not modular. It's all cables attached. But we don't need much here actually. We will need get ready the 24 pin. We will need to get ready the CPU power, in this case 4 pin, and we will need to get ready one Molex, one SATA, and that's about it, because the 1050 Ti it's powered just from the motherboard, and that's about it. It doesn't need external power. Okay, let's start cable management. Cable manage this already. with it. I got loads of those, so I can do it nicely. Like this. It goes from here, catch it here, and it comes out here. My scarf over here, no sharp bands or something. And I believe we can copy already with this way, the 24 pin with these cables. The rest of it. So what I did here, the front I/O and power button, reset, audio 3.0, and then all of those cables from here, from the front panel, I did copy the 24 pin with them, because those are fat cables, they can copy nicely. So they goes like that. Now we can run this CPU power 8 pin cable right here, because it's our next channel right here. It's our cable management point here and here, so I can copy that nicely and make it an L shape. It will go like this. Always when you do cable management, you can see, so I did do the in the point here and here. That's the CPU cable, that's the exhaust fan cable, and it goes like that. But I can advise you, when you do cable management, do not stretch your cables. It's not good. Okay, start looking nice. Look at this. Flat cables, so I put them on top of each other. Still copying the 8 pin for the CPU. So they goes like this. So what I did here, these front fans, I did cable management, I did cable ties them here. Then I did copy the 24 pin, cable ties, then they're going down here in those fans. So I did copy already existing big chunk of cables, so I don't create another route for them. The cable ties that like this, put it together. Now I can tuck it away. Still lots of cable on it. Alright, I've finished the cable management in there. Let's have a look. I think it looks very nice and clean. What are you guys thinking? Is it clean? I think it's clean. Let's see if the panel goes in. It just fits, no issue. Perfect. Let's see if I did connect it correctly. Ooh, I did. Look at that. Alright, that's it. Finished with this one. I built in system, I've done unboxing, I've done RGB light show, I showed you cable management. What you guys thinking? Would you build computer in this? Use it as your main system? Let me know, guys, what you thinking. Please comment, like, subscribe and share, and see you in the next one. Thank you.